Hello everybody, Jake Raby here again, back with another Rennvision technical video. Now, in today's video, this is post-pandemic, right? So we've all been through 2020, now we're in basically the middle of 2021. A lot of the content we had for bore scoring videos was done in 2018, 2019, and we wanted to bring everybody up to speed, so we're going back through, we're revising all of our videos, and we're making sure that all the information is current, and we're also adding some new information to each video that we've learned since 2019. So I want to invite you to like and subscribe to our channel and become a paid member of Rennvision if you want to learn the next level about the Porsche engine.